Isn't just cleaning, it's a process that brings a space to life. Dust settles unnoticed, slowly, turning into a thin layer of silence. It mutes colors, softens the light. But when you begin to move your hand, everything gradually changes. The soft cloth touches the surface, and cleanliness appears in a trail after a trail. Objects become brighter, textures sharper, the air fresher. Each movement is smooth, deliberate, effortless. Your hand moves calmly, the cloth glides effortlessly, collecting all unnecessary debris. At this moment, there's no rush, only a gentle rhythm, breathing, and attention to detail. With each new stroke, you seem to erase not only dust, but also fatigue. The room begins to glow differently, filling with air, warmth, and lightness. There's something meditative in these simple movements. See you in the next video. Bye bye.